Welcome. Today, we're diving into how compound interest can turn your finances from a sleepy bank account to a bustling city or an abandoned ghost town. This isn't just numbers, it's your future. Let's start with the basics. Compound interest is when you earn interest on both the money you've saved and the interest earned over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and faster as it rolls. But here's where things get tricky. Many people think compound interest is just about the rate. That's like saying the only thing that matters in building a house is how strong your hammer is. Wrong. What really matters are time and consistency. Let's look at numbers. If you invest $1,000 with an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually, after 30 years, it grows to over $4,300. That's like planting a small tree and coming back decades later to find a towering forest. But wait, compound interest can work against you too. If you carry debt, especially credit card debt with high interest rates, compound interest can be like a ravenous beast feasting on your finances. So why does this matter to you? Well, if you start saving at 25 and stop contributing by 35, with compound interest, that early investment can grow more than if you wait until 40 to begin and contribute for decades. Remember, this video is educational, meant to spark your interest in compound interest. It's not personalized financial advice or an invitation to trade or invest without research. To recap, compound interest can amplify your wealth or accelerate debt accumulation, depending on how you use it. Time is crucial, and consistency in investing compounds its magic. That's all for today. If you found this interesting, please subscribe to learn more about making your money work for you without getting devoured by it.